Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Dor Makine, and today we'll be doing two things. First is an upgrade video for the TG MCX short version. The not Rattler? Don't know what to call this one. And since I'm going to upgrade this one, it will also produce a disassembly video. So for those who want to open it. Okay. So this is the upgrade parts. Longer barrel, HJA spring, 80% cylinder, barrel extension, a hop up. I thought it was something else, but it's an O-ring. Air seal nozzle, hope it fits well, and a delayer. I don't know what battery it will be using, but it may or may not be usable. Anywho, let's get into it. Okay, have installed everything. The new spring, the longer barrel, redid some shimmings, the new cylinder, cylinder head, new nozzle. Actually, he did not give a new piston body, but it's still okay for now. So we'll see. Let's do wattage test. 19 amps. Good. Only 10 amps, so that's fine. Now, I'm going to assemble this one on the unit and do some firing test. Since people will be asking this, this flat side, top part should be pointing down. On the other side, hold it. This pointing down, this pointing down. Then you assemble. Ching! Okay, it's now finally assembled. Install the stock battery for testing. And extremely long barrel. And a hop up there. Glued. It's not my version. So, okay, let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 326. Let's see the, oh my, is 326, 336, 349, 315. 300 FPS. 320. Not bad. Oops! My gels are really old and uneven. So far, that's the upgrade. That's more or less it. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!